Hello students, good morning. Now today we will study sales return book. This is the last special purpose book of our syllabus. Sales return book or return inward book. It is also called as return inward book. Sales return book obviously is maintained to record the material returned by our customers sold on credit basis. Okay. So following are not recorded in sales return book. Return of goods originally sold for cash and return of items other than goods. So only sales return means goods or material returned by our customers sold on credit basis. ओके, म्हणजे क्रेडिट सेल झालेला असेल आणि कस्टमरनी जर गुड्स रिटर्न केले तर इट विल बी रेकॉर्डेड इन सेल्स रिटर्न बुक. ओके, दिस इज द फॉर्मॅट ऑफ सेल्स रिटर्न बुक. It is just like other books, date particulars. Only the difference is in sales book there will be invoice number and in sales return book there is credit note number. A credit note is prepared containing all the details of sales return etc. It is a source document to record entries in the sales return book. Okay, it is always serially numbered and dated, so number will be written here. LF, details for calculation and amount. This is the format of sales return book for GST entries. Again the columns are same. See the columns. I am explaining slowly so that you can see the columns. All the columns are same, just like sales book. Only instead of invoice number there is credit note number. Date particulars, here we will record name of the customer, credit note number LF, details for calculation, sales returns, original amount, output CGST, output SGST, output IGST in case of transactions between two different states, and total amount. Okay, and now the first problem. Record the following transactions in the sales return book and post them into ledger. This is the problem without GST entries. सेल्स रिटर्न आणि परचेस रिटर्नमध्ये एंट्रीज कमी असतात कारण रिटर्न्स हे कमी असतात. सगळेच जण काय गुड्स रिटर्न करत नाहीत. सगळेच आपले कस्टमर आपल्याला गुड्स रिटर्न करत नाहीत किंवा आपण सप्लायर्सना गुड रिटर्न करत नाही. त्यामुळे रिटर्न बुक्समध्ये एंट्रीज नेहमी कमी असतात. So in this problem there are only two entries. See, first entry is on July 15th. Anand Furnitures returned to us the following goods not being as per the sample. 3 chairs at rupees 300 each, 5 tables at rupees 500 each, and trade discount allowed was 15%. On July 21st, Sham Furniture returned us the following goods being defective. 1 sofa set at rupees 4,000 each, 2 almaris at rupees 3,000 each, and trade discount allowed was 10%. So from this problem we have to prepare first sales return book and we will post afterwards the relating entries into ledger accounts. Okay, so let's start now. So this is the sales return book. We'll prepare sales return book. Date particulars, credit note number LF, details and amount. In the books of party's name is not given here. Okay, so now we will enter the transactions just like purchase return book. See the transaction. On July 15th, Anand Furniture returned the goods. So 2016 July 15, Anand Furnitures Anand Furnitures. Now details are given. 3 chairs at rupees 300 each. At rupees 300 each. And 5 tables at rupees 500 each. Okay, so 3 chairs into 300, that is 900 in details column. Credit note number is not given. 5 tables at rupees 500 each, so 5 into 500, it is 2500. Now let's add this, it is 3400. Okay, now trade discount is 15%, so less trade discount 15%. 15% of this is 510, so we will deduct discount, so the amount is 2890. Okay, so we have completed the first transaction. And now second transaction, see the problem is of 21st July. Shyam Furnitures returns the goods being defective. So Shyam Furnitures, July 21st. Shyam Furnitures, one sofa set at rupees 4000 each. So it is 4000. Credit note number is not given. 2 almiras at rupees 3000 each. So 3000 into 2, it is 6000. So total amount is 10,000. And now we will deduct the trade discount, less trade discount at 10%. 10% of 10,000 is 1000. So after deducting 1000, final amount is 9000. Okay, and now we will add 9000 and 2890, so it is 11890. This is the total amount. Date will be July 31st, that is last day of July. Okay, sales return account will be debited here. Understood? Sales return account will be debited 11,890. Understood? In this way we have to prepare sales return book. Now from this we have to prepare ledger account. In this problem, see, only 3 accounts we have to open: Anand Furnitures account, Shyam Furnitures account, and sales return account, obviously. Okay, so let's prepare ledger accounts. These are the ledger accounts I have prepared already. One account is sales return account, other account is Anand Furnitures account, and next account is Shyam Furnitures account. Okay, so now we will do the posting into these accounts. See our sales return book. When we pass entry in journal, म्हणजे फक्त जर्नल प्रॉपर ज्या वेळेला प्रिपेअर केलं जातं, स्मॉल बिझनेसमन ओनली प्रिपेअर्स जर्नल अँड लेजर. स्मॉल बिझनेसमन परचेस बुक, सेल्स बुक, परचेस रिटर्न बुक, सेल्स रिटर्न बुक अशी सगळी बुक्स प्रिपेअर करत नाहीत. ओके, त्यामुळे ते सगळ्या एंट्रीज जर्नलमध्येच करतात. त्यावेळेला सेल्स रिटर्न झाला तर आपण एंट्री कशी करतो बघा, सेल्स रिटर्न अकाउंट डेबिट टू पार्टीज अकाउंट. ओके, बिकॉज पार्टी इज द गिवर our customer. Sales return account is debited, parties account is credited. Okay, here two parties are there आणि मी सांगितल्याप्रमाणे sales return account will be debited and to sundries as per sales return book असं लिहिलं जातं. सो जुलै 31st to sundries as per sales return book, and the amount is total amount 11,890. In this 11,890 there is Anand Furniture's amount 2890 and Sham Furniture's return amount 9,000. So both the parties are included in these sundries. Okay, sales return account debit to all parties account असा अर्थ होतो. So debit side of sales return to sundries means to all parties. So credit side of all parties by sales return. लक्षात येत आहे. So credit side of Anand Furniture's account July 15th, date of their transaction July 15th, by sales return account amount is 2890. Okay, similarly credit side of Sham Furniture's account on July 21st by sales return account amount is 9,000. See, it is very simple. Okay, so we have completed 3 accounts. In this way we have to do the posting of sales return book into ledger. Understood? So now solve this problem in your notebook properly.